Hello! To live translate calls on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you need to be in this call screen right here. In case you are not in this screen, you need to swipe down from the left side of your screen, like this, and into the notifications and press on this call notification. And right here you have the button Call Assist, you need to press it, and here is the live translate. You need to press this button, and right now, as you can see, the both callers are being notified that this call is being translated and live captioned. And here you can change the language for both numbers. For you can change this language to, as you can see, in my case it's Polish. For other person it's English. And right now I will just quickly show you. I will say something in English from the other phone. As you can see, I'm saying something right now, and just watch. And yeah, as you can see, it just said what I said on a different phone, and it's being translated to Polish language. So that's how to enable the live translate calls on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.